Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get minigames in Cookie Clicker. Minigames are special features that become available as you progress and acquire certain buildings. Each minigame offers unique ways to boost your cookie production or provide other helpful effects. To unlock them, you simply need to purchase at least one of the associated building types. Let's dive into some examples. One of the first minigames you'll likely encounter is the garden. To unlock it, you simply need to purchase at least one grandma building. Once unlocked, the garden appears as a tab in your building menu. Here, you can plant and grow various types of cookies, each with its own growth cycle and benefits. Experiment with different seeds to discover powerful combinations. Another key minigame is the Pantheon, which becomes available after you purchase at least one temple. The Pantheon allows you to assign 3 different spirits to slots, each granting a unique passive bonus. These bonuses can significantly impact your cookie production, click power, or even provide other strategic advantages. Consider your current goals when selecting which spirits to invoke. Beyond the garden and Pantheon, other buildings unlock more minigames. Wizard Towers give you the Grimoire, allowing you to cast spells for various effects. Banks unlock the stock market, where you can buy and sell cookie-related goods. Each minigame adds a layer of strategy to your cookie empire. Explore them all to find the ones that best suit your playstyle and boost your production.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.